So guys, we're gonna do Honk If You're Happy. It's really fun, and you should go on Hines Road because it's gonna be a party. Okay, let's go. First customer. Here's the car. Okay. It's not going well.
I don't see any cars. Look at cars.
Okay, here comes the car. We got a good view.
Wait, people don't like to be videotaped.
Honk if you're happy.
That person rejected you.
Honk if you're happy. Honk.
This is not working.
Honk if you're happy. Yes.
Yes.
Honk. Honk if you're happy.
These people can't. I don't think.
Look at that.
Here, they're over here.
Honk if you're happy.
No one's happy. Dang. Oh, here comes cars. Just hold it up.
Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy.
These people hate you. So apparently these people hate Kyle.
Honk if you're happy, please.
They're not gonna honk.
Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy.
Yes!
Yes!
One person! Our goal is achieved.
Our goal is achieved.
I can't see that car.
Here comes a good car. Honk if you're happy.
No one's happy! Oh my god! Who's that?
Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy. Honk! Honk!
Alright, here's one.
Honk if you're happy. Honk!
My god, that's my neighbor. He's never... No, that's my neighbor. He won't honk. He knows me. Yes, he does. Look. Because he hates being on video. Yeah. You guys need to honk if you come on Hines Road. Like, what's wrong with you people? So guys, we're gonna stop soon. People aren't really honking anymore. No. You guys have to read quicker. God.
Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy. I hate you. Honk! Honk if you're happy.
It's hilarious.
Honk! Beep! Beep! Honk!
Guys, this video is gonna be over. We're gonna try it again soon.